Right off the bat, AI changes everything, even in the print on demand business. So, if you want to make money online from this amazing business, you've got to shift from the classic print on demand to the AI based print on demand. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you the four pieces you can depend on to start out your own journey to make money online from print on demand to be more profitable and, of course, more controllable. So, now let's get started. And the first thing here, you've got to build your own store. For sure, instead of just chasing the marketplaces around like Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, TeePublic, and so on to upload your designs and get specific and few cuts, or that you can say your reality of earnings. So there are ongoing changes in these marketplaces that include the rules, policy, terms, and so on. So you can find in one night your account suspended or taken down, and your design disappeared and your effort gone just in one night. So instead of this miserable scenario, you've got to create your own web store or your store to just manage your own website, to manage your own designs, and you have the full control over your designs and your audience, your fees, and so on. So in the AI era, it gives you more flexibility to create your own store and build up your own business more profitable and more scalable. And of course, there are different options out there, like this amazing one, Hostinger Website Builder. Yes, you heard that right. Hostinger, for sure, we all know this amazing hosting platform to host your website and so on. But here you can build your own website using AI around your specific sub niche to just sell your own designs as you want. And here, if you just go to this website builder pricing page, you can find its link down below in the first comment. And for sure, the best investment you can think of regarding building your own profitable business, here you've got to create your own store for your BOD business, as you see here. And for sure, regarding hosting a website builder, you can find amazing features in the business plan, like this one. Here you can create your own merch store with built-in printable integration. So here, just anyone just order something in your web store, in your store, like t-shirt, mug, and so on. The order goes automatically to printable to just handles everything like printing, shipping, and so on. Just you can focus only on the design and marketing, all the professional stuff. So here you can build your own web store and your print on demand store here using Hostinger Website Builder, for sure using AI. And of course, there are plenty of these options out there to create your own store away from the all popular marketplaces, like this one. If you go to everp.io, for sure we all know Everp, the amazing and successful analytic tool for Etsy seller in particular. But here you can find options to create your own store to build anything you want that you can sell even on Etsy and everywhere you want. So here in Everp, you can find, and it's a free plan even, you can build your own research tool or store. Here you can sell your brand on demand items, okay? And of course, it would be integrated to Printify as you want. So you can create your own store here on Everp, and you can connect it to a Printify that handles everything like the printing, shipping, and so on, as you see. Okay, that's it. So you can create here your free store on this amazing everp.io. And something else here, you can create your own store to sell your own merch using the printify.com. Okay, it's amazing print on demand business to print your own designs and ship to your customers. But here you can create your own pop-up store. Here you can just go to I am planning to sell products, and here you can create on pop-up store like this one as you see. And of course you can use Printify to connect with your own store, let's say your WooCommerce or your Etsy or the pop-up as we said earlier, and so on. Okay, So here you can find amazing mockups to show off the beauty of your designs and just handle the shipping, and just you can keep the profit margin to your own store. So you can just sell your own designs on these stores, even in hosting website builder, that your store on Hostinger or Everbee or pop-up store on Printify, and just get your orders from there, and you will get your profit margin. It could be $9 $10 as you want. Okay, unlike the royalties you can get from Redbubble or TeePublic and the like. So the best way here you can start out your journey in your brand on the business, you've got to create your own store using these platforms. And secondly, create your designs. Of course, in the classic print on demand strategies, you've got to learn something on Photoshop or Canva design. But here in our AI era, you have the more potential to create your own designs just in few seconds. Even if you don't have any experience in designing, you have no skills and so on. Just AI tools. And of course, you can depend on different AI image generators out there like Midjourney, Leonardo, and so on. And the most precious one, that is Nano Pen in Gemini. So for example, here I can get some examples like this one. You can get inspired by different designs on dripple.com or Pinterest as you want, like this one for example. And just ask the Nano Pen or Gemini to give me some designs and some quotes in the same style of this image, and for sure gives me this awesome one. As you see, like I love dumbbells, and not only that, you can create more variations of this specific design and this specific quote to just get the whole domination over this quote and these designs. Like give me another design in the new creative style for the same quote, and here you can find amazing selections from Gemini and Nano Pen. I love dumbbells like this one. I love dumbbells as you see, as you want. Amazing variations for the same quote. So for sure you can download all of them and you just remove the background in different websites, depend on AI. Like this one for example, Slazer.com, it gives you a free plan. Just remove your background as you want. Or this awesome website is remove.ai, and the best one, that is remove.photos. Without any restriction, you can remove any background of any design and any image as you want for free without any upfront fees. So you can use all of these websites to remove your background of your images or your designs, in other words. Or if you just use Canva Pro, or at least the free trial, the month's free trial of Canva, you can use it to remove its background as you want. So you can here just generate your designs using all these free AI design generators. And number three, for mockups. For sure, the mockups is one of the best things here you can depend on in your marketing campaigns to promote your stuff, especially if you don't depend on any marketplace. So you have the full and the only one way to promote your stuff. So you can depend on professional and elegant mockups. And of course, you can find amazing free options out there. Like you can go to this website, Nano Pen as well. Like this one, just ask for creating this mockup with this amazing relevant quote. Coffee and powered by coffee and hormones for women over 40. Or this one, if I have design like I just created on Nenopena, I love dumbbells, and ask it to just remove this background first and apply to a mockup from my description, and it gives me this awesome amazing mockup. As you see, I love dumbbells as you see. Okay, that's it. Or you can just depend on amazing AI mockup generators out there, like for sure Recraft.ai. It's one of the best AI image generators out there, especially this mockup tool here. Here you can create on mockups like this one, as you observe. And of course, I just talked about this amazing feature on Recraft in details in the previous video. You can find this video down below in the first comment and description box. So you can create your own mockups in any color. Just you can make your mockups, poke covers, t-shirts, leggings as you want, and place your own t-shirt like a boss. or you can depend on the more and the classic amazing website for just providing you the best elegant mockups ever in the internet. For sure, just to talk about this awesome website, placeit.net. Huge collections of these done for you and ready to use mockups for every single occasions, holiday as you see. Okay, that's it. And for sure, you can find free options out there like Maki.ai. And of course, I just leave down below in the first comment and description box the big collection of the free t-shirt mockup generators. You can find this link down below in the first comment and description box. So that part regarding creating your professional and elegant mockups using AI. And now just to move on to the last part here, you've got to promote your stuff like a professional, not just amateur. You can create your own store even on Hostinger or Everbee or Bob as you want. And here you've got to promote your designs to get more visitors, to get more target audience to your store. So here you've got to just promote professionally and out of the box. You can create your own dedicated accounts on amazing platforms like medium.com and Quora and Reddit. Just talk about this specific sub niche. So if you are sub niche like regarding the women over 40, like hormones and menopause and so on, you can create your own dedicated business account there and write your articles regarding some topics for this specific sub niche or this target audience. And in between your paragraphs, for sure you can promote your stuff and your designs and your store in general. So if you just talk about the motivation and humor sense of these women over 40, you can write a call to action like just wear this mindset from this store and so on. So you can build your own audience and get them from medium.com or Quora Space or your Reddit community to your website, or in other words, your store. And that way, we are coming to the best part here. You can control and have your own audience just by creating your own email list. Yes, you heard that right, even in print on demand. So you can send your people just not sell your own product and flash sales, but you can actually professionally and smartly keep them in your email list just by providing some email, some freebies and giveaways like a checklist and or templates regarding their interests, and then you can keep their emails. So you can actually make a sequence of emails, so you can upload your own freebies on different free websites like Beacons DI as a link in bio builder or Gumroad and so on, that you can sell as you want your products, print on demand, digital products, affiliate products as you want. Just you can keep your audience for long term connection, communication, and of course, sales. That way, you can focus on these AI-based angles to make online from print on demand in 2026 and AI era. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.